Why do you want a makeover?
I want this 5-week makeover because I am tired of being the fat friend, the fat sister.
I'm looking at people, I'm looking at their bodies, I'm looking at what they look like.
I just want to get my sexy back.
When you feel good, it's like contagious and everybody gets it.
And I see people with shredded bodies, bikini models looking good.
Everywhere I go, the weight walks in the room with me, and I'm tired of it.
But there's darkness on the inside, there's trouble on the inside, there's shame on the inside, there's blame and there's guilt.
I'm really unhappy with my appearance and the way I feel, and I think this would be life-changing.
I just want to be there for the long term for my daughter.
I've already gotten rid of all that shit. And now I'm ready to transform the outside and become who I'm called to be.
Okay guys, we are at our first contestant's house. I don't know who's going to be happier right now. I'm crying because it's the most exciting thing we have ever done. We brought the community together and we're going to make these people happier, healthier, stronger. We're going to make their dreams come true. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. The best thing in life you could possibly do is give, and we're about to give health and happiness. Follow me. Congratulations! Oh my God!
Everybody, guess where we're at? We're at Forever Young today because today is the day we're actually getting back the blood work that we did last week. I cannot tell you how crucial this point is.
The labs have been reviewed with each patient already individually, and what we're going to go over today is their actual health profile, which what we refer to as their blueprint for success. And I would tell you most people will give up in the first 4 weeks because that's when most people don't see a lot of change yet. But it really takes longer than that. So if you stay committed to it, you will see results.
Okay, well, I'm not giving up.
Hey everybody, guess where we are? We are at Trainer Space for our very first day of training.
This is the place to lose weight. This is a place to do it right. This is the only place I've ever found to do it right. This is insane. This is the best thing I've ever seen. And we're about to put our contestants through the best 5 weeks of their life.
I'm going to show you the process today of what we bring people through to detoxify the body. So it's a three-pronged approach that we do. Number one is to eat properly, right? And eat properly for life. And then what I implore is please teach your spouses, your kids, the same thing that you're going to learn.
I don't feel good about myself. I feel insecure and unhealthy, and I don't feel good about myself at all.
I'm somebody who has always loved life, had a lot of energy, and I'm not in that space anymore.
My father taught me some years ago. He said, well, the day you stop learning is the day you die. Always be open and receptive to hear from other people.
I'm just always tired, and I want to be alive again.
When I was feeling my best, right, I have 2 pictures of myself at that time, and I've got them on taped to my bathroom mirror.
And you have children.
Yes.
Right? And how is this going to inspire them? What's the meaning of their lives in reference to you doing this?
I really think it's going to change everything. It's going to change everything.
How grateful are you for this opportunity?
Oh. I'm so grateful. I know that this is going to be life-changing. I'm just really excited for this.
guys, this was amazing. Trainer Space, thank you. We got a little wet. We have a little boo-boo from the big boy, but we're okay.
No, this is a dry heat. That's all an infrared sauna is, just a dry heat, as opposed to a regular sauna, which is more of a wet heat in a way. It's hard to breathe. You can't sit there very long. It's very humid.
Hey, Molly. How'd it go?
Pretty amazing, actually.
That's
I
awesome.
think I'd like to hear some meditation music or something to help me to focus more for the 20 minutes.
Okay, Wally, that was on camera.
Oh.
What exactly is this process?
Yes, so these are our body wraps. So we go from the whole body vibration to the sauna, now to the body wrap.
I got my blood sugar level tested and I'm usually over 200 and I was 86, 87 and that means normal. No diabetes anymore, so.
This is Wally Waiters. We're here for the happy, healthy, stronger grand finale. We head up, the limousine has just arrived. I am a rock star, by the way, just in case you didn't know.